So hey everyone, this is Nabil Khan. Welcome back to another video, and today in this video we are going to create a simple project using HTML and JavaScript. So basically we are going to create a file downloader using JavaScript. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first of all, we'll create a new file and we'll name it as index.html, and we'll create a boilerplate, and we'll change the title of as file downloader, and inside the body we'll create an input, and the type will be text, and the placeholder will be paste URL, and after this we will create a button download. So after creating this, we will create a new JavaScript file as script.js. So we will link this file. So we'll say script src and script.js. So first of all, we'll create two variables to select this input and this button. So we'll say const input URL equals to document dot query selector, and we'll select the input. So after selecting this input, we'll select the download button. So we'll say const download button btn equals to document dot query selector, and we'll select the button. So after selecting this button, we will add an event listener on this download btn. So we'll say download btn dot add event listener, and the event will be click, and we will add a callback function. So inside this callback function, first of all we will create a try catch block, and inside the catch block we'll just alert the error, and inside the try block we'll fetch the data from this input URL. So we will say const response equals to await, and we'll say fetch input URL dot data, sorry, not data, it will be value, and we need to create this function as async function. And after fetching the data, we need to extract the data which we are getting in this response. So we will say const file equals to document, sorry, not document, it will be response dot blob. So this line basically extract the data which we are getting in the response. So after extracting the data, we'll create a new hyperlink. So we'll say const link equals to document dot create element, and we'll create a hyperlink. So after creating the hyperlink, if you remember, the hyperlink, or you can say the anchor tag, has a property called href. So if I type anchor tag, so it has the property of href. So we'll pass the href in here. So we'll say link dot href. So here we had a URL object in JavaScript. So URL dot create object URL, and here we will pass the file. So after href, we'll say link dot download, and here we'll pass a date object. We'll create a new date, and date dot get time. So after creating the download, we'll say link dot click. So here we had completed our JavaScript code. So now let's test this. So I will start our live server. So live server has been started. So I will go to a website called pexels.com, and we will copy the URL of the image. So I had copied the link and just paste it here, and just click on download. Now let's see what's the error. create object URL argument is not valid. Okay, so now let's see what's problem. So we are getting error in this line. Yeah, so we need to add await here. So this is returning a promise. So now it will work fine. If I refresh and we'll click on download, so you can see our image has been downloaded. You can see our image is downloaded. So I hope you like the video, and if you like the